Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you how to prepare delicious blueberry sauce with just few ingredients. Blueberry sauce you can serve with your favorite ice cream, pancakes or any dessert, and I hope you enjoy. For delicious blueberry sauce I need 2 cups of blueberry, half a cup of cane sugar, 1/4 cup of water, lemon, 1 teaspoon of potato starch and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And let's get cooking. First, water, blueberry, the stove is on high heat right now. Cane sugar here. I will cook till the blueberry start boiling, and I turn stove on medium high and I will simmer for 20 minutes. You can see the blueberry boiling and you can see the juice already on the blueberries. It's a very quick recipe, excellent addition to dessert, ice creams or pancake. And you can see it takes no time to soften blueberries. Okay, I turn on stove on medium high. Looks like the blueberry almost ready. I'm adding lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of potato starch to thicken the sauce. If you don't have potato starch, you can use cornstarch. Will do the trick. Green blueberries. We just pick fresh blueberries from blueberry orchard. The blueberry season just started. Let me try. It's enough sugar. Perfect. It's not too sweet. Excellent. I will keep blueberry sauce in the fridge. You can keep for a couple weeks and the sauce will thicken. Now it's perfect. I will turn off the heat and the sauce is done. You can see I didn't cook for too long. The water reduced beautiful and potato starch thicken the sauce very nice. Now I will transfer blueberry to the jar. Look at this blueberry sauce, it looks beautiful. You can see fruit. And I have another jar. From 2 cups of blueberry I have 2 beautiful jars of blueberry sauce, and we can enjoy later on. I love blueberry sauce with pancakes or ice cream. Perfect addition. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.